What's up YouTube, it's your boy Red Sugar. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be talking about a specific e-bike that I've been wanting for a long time now. Alright, as you guys can see in my fleet, none of my bikes are technically street legal. I've had a lot of street legal e-bike companies reach out to me, but none of them have caught my attention until today. Growing up, back in my high school days, I used to always go take around my fit bike, my BMX bikes, to the skate park. I used to have a backpack with my skateboard on it. And I used to always just go to the skate park. That was like, basically, those were my e-bikes back in the day. Today's YouTube video is sponsored by Zooz, baby. I love how this specific company stuck to that BMX look, so I reached out to them and I got myself a brand new Zooz Ultra Urban. Let's unbox this bad boy. For now. This is how you know I've actually never owned a pedal bike, because I actually don't have a stand to hold this thing up. Ah, shoot. How are you gonna do this? I need to put the front wheel on, but I can't. How do I do it? I'm gonna cry. I give up. This YouTube video is over. Nah, but like for real, I'm like really struggling right now, and I should not be struggling this early in the process. This is what I'm gonna do. Back in the day when I needed to fix my chain, I put the bike completely upside down. Like that. That's another nice thing about this. It's a very light bike. Alright, let's get this out. I'm assuming we don't need this. We got it, ladies and gentlemen. We got it. Yes. Yuck. All right, it is now time to go and take this on a little test ride. But first things first, I gotta make this bike officially mine. Officially the offline Zooz bike. Sheesh, that looks good. First impression, this bike is very comfortable. As you guys can see, we got a long seat right here compared to the BMX bike where it was just a normal bike seat. This one, you can sit way up here, you can sit way back here. Super comfortable. Another thing I noticed is I am on mode 1, but this can go all the way up to 5. So while I go on this review ride and talk about the bike, I actually want to do something for you guys. I've actually been getting a lot of comments and DMs recently of people asking me for a free bike. How can I convince my parents to let me get a bike? Let me show you guys exactly what I would do to convince your parents, or how to make money. Instead of asking for a free bike, this is going to be the best way. Today, I'm actually going to be headed to AutoZone to grab something, because I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need need to start making money. It's a fast and easy service that you can provide others. The service that I'm gonna show you guys what you guys should do to make some money is headlight restoration. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you need. Now, there's only a couple things that you guys need to get started on this service. All you need is a couple microfiber wipes and a spray bottle. We are about to go to AutoZone to get this one kit that probably is going to cost around $25, $30. Tell your parents, show them this video, and I'm sure they are going to allow you because one, you're teaching yourself a skill, you're learning how to make money on your own, and it's a very super simple process. So let's get to AutoZone and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to get. So this is a pretty steep hill right here. It's doing pretty well. I'm not really pedaling hard, you know, it's pedal assist, so it's very easy. I actually really like it. It's very simple. I'm in the bike lane. Nobody's giving me shit. If I see a cop, I'm not gonna be as scared because I'm on a legal bike. Pull me over, question me, go ahead. This is a very legal bike. And I love it, dude. It's so comfortable. I am going to learn how to wheel on this. I'm probably not going to in this video. I'm more so just going to be talking about the bike. And I'm trying to just show you guys how to make money. That's it. Because if I can do it, I promise you, you guys can too. This is what I used to do. When I used to ride my BMX bike, I went to high school. I wrestled all 4 years, so I wasn't actually able to get a job because I was practicing nonstop, competitions on the weekend, so I didn't really have the time for a job. So what did I do to make money when I was in high school? This is exactly what I did. I just rode my BMX bike everywhere. I offered this service and I was able to have cash in my pocket while still doing the sport that I love doing. Come along with me and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. But so far, dude, this bike is so comfortable, bro. It's so comfortable. Zooz is the prettiest looking BMX electric bike. This one. This exact one right here is what you're going to need. If you look at it, it's called the Create Garage Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. And it actually costs $29.99, but you only need one, $30 to get started. All right, so I got 2 of them to save me a trip. Realistically, all you need is one. You are going to need to get more, but I would definitely start with just one so that you can learn. All right, so for those of you wondering, how can I get customers doing this? What I would definitely suggest is you can go door to door. For the first, if you guys are just starting and you guys are kind of scared to go door to door, what I would do is I would go hit up friends and family, call them up, ask them if they have any headlights that are looking foggy that want to be cleaned up. What I mean by reach out to friends and family, I'm actually going to be reaching out to a couple people right now. I'm actually going to call Dylan up and see if he needs it. Yo, Dylan, so I'm making a video showing kids how to make some money, and I told them to reach out to family and friends if they need this service. Do you need any headlight restoration? Your car, Kayla's car?
My truck doesn't need it, but I think Kayla's does.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna do it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how simple it is. You get this kit for $30 and then you charge $75. Dude, that is a $45 profit you guys are gaining. And you guys do that multiple times, I'm sure you will get a lot better at it. Next thing you know, you can actually start charging a lot more. Look, there's a cop right here. Let's see if he stops me. Nope. Not even gonna bother, dude. And I'm not even worried, bro. Like, pull me over, go ahead. All right, so we've officially made it to Dylan's. There he is. God damn. I can never get over this thing, dude.
Yo, what?
You like it?
Where'd you get this?
They sent it to me, bro. BMX bike, baby. Like the old days, huh?
Oh.
Clean, huh?
Bro, this thing is fire. It's really light.
Super light, feel it. Like, carry the whole thing, like literally carry the whole thing.
Damn. I was thinking about this, but it's like not that bad. I think mine's a lot worse.
Oh, I could definitely work on yours way easier.
Yeah, so if you want to do mine.
All right, let's get started. It's gonna take you through steps. There's clean, sand, coat, done. These are the sanding pads that you use to attach to this. And it comes with an oxidation remover, which is the first step in the ceramic headlight coating. So this is the beginning and the end. So you're gonna use this first. What this does, like whenever you do headlight restoration, you're gonna see a lot of yellow and like brownish color because when cars sit at lights, cars' exhaust fumes hit this over time and it'll make it oxidize, all gross. So this is what you use to clear that off. So there's gonna be 3 steps of sanding. So the first 1,000, you're gonna scratch this way. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna get to 2,000, you're gonna scratch upward. And then once you get to the 3,000, you're gonna go back to sideways. The first thing you guys wanna do, oxidation remover. Just do it a little bit extra because why not? If you go extra and you do really well, the customers may tip you. Make sure you guys do a good job because you are charging $75, but your goal is to get a little bit more. Let's try this off. Now the first one we're doing is the 1000 grit. So now I like to like soak this. Let's wet this now. So you're gonna see that it's kind of like scratching it. That's what you want. It's gonna make it so you see it's clear right now. It's gonna look very, very blurry. Don't be worried, that's what it's supposed to do. Make sure to get all these little side crevices too. The most important part is actually the top and the corners. So make sure you guys don't forget to hit those spots. And use a lot of water, don't just keep spraying it. You're gonna see a lot of it come off. See all that stuff coming off? That's what you want off. And when you're scratching this, guys, usually people would tape this up so that you don't get the paint. Just be cautious. If you guys don't have tape, don't hit the paint. See how it looks blurry right now? It's kind of worrying, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, that's what you're doing. You're scratching it off.
Oh God, dude.
So that's another talking point that you guys can tell people to sell. Say that this service lasts up to 2 years. They're gonna love it. They're gonna be like, all right, sick, let's do it. $75 for 2 years? Deal. If you guys haven't seen Dylan's gender reveal on his YouTube, go and check that out. That was actually such a good video. So now let's take this off. I'm gonna get back to grit number 2000. Now this one, we're gonna go upward. Make sure to put some pressure on it, guys. Don't be afraid to scratch. I mean, don't scratch, but like don't scratch here, but scratch here.
Time, get your nutcase, but
Ooh, nice. The chocolate chaos.
Cheers.
Cheers. Dylan and I are officially partners for Nutcase. So use my code offline if you guys want some of this. Grit 2000 done. Now on to the last grit, which is 3000. Slap that on. So now we get the microfiber wipe and we dry it because you do not want to add this ceramic coating with any water. It will ruin it. For this part right here, you only want to go over it once. Do not do what I was doing. Don't do this. You literally only have to hit it once. If you guys do it like that, it's going to create streaks. You do not want to add streaks. Hey, Dylan, you want to see this part? It's satisfying. All right, Dylan, smell this.
oh,
Yeah.
why would you make me smell that?
I'm gonna go right over.
Oh, damn.
Sick, right?
Oh, that's satisfying, bro. It's gonna look like that? It's gonna look like that?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, that looks good. Bro, the before and after is crazy.
Look at how good that looks now, dude. All right, now that that's done, on to the next headlights. This is gonna look so good after. Let's get it on. I would show this, but you already got the whole entire concept. Now it's time to get this done. Let's go. All right, I cannot help myself, but I have to show you guys how satisfying this is, so just keep it stationary right there. Come smell.
No, you smell it this time.
Come smell it again.
You smell it this time.
Come on.
No, your turn.
All right, bet. Ow!
I can smell it from here.
It's like ammonia.
Yeah.
And there you go. It's that simple. So easy. The quickest little $45 profit you guys could ever do. And if you do good, the reason why I charge $75 is because nobody has exactly $75 in their account, right? They're gonna give you like $100, so it's kind of like playing chess when they're playing checkers, you know what I mean? You kind of like...
Now that I think about that, dude, I went to the bank because Red was like, all right, I'll do 75. I was like, I'm just gonna grab 100.
Exactly my point.
Yeah,
Thanks, dude.
That's crazy. That's so smart.
Yeah.
Loki would have just
So
given you the 100.
you say 75, nobody actually has $75 cash. They have either 20s, 50s, or 100s. And they have a 50 and a 20, they're gonna give you 70. Oh shoot, I have $5 more. Just take 100. Okay, okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys, that is it for today's YouTube video. If you guys made it this far, man, like and subscribe. I kid you not, it only helps the channel. As you guys can see, I just received front suspension for the Zooz bike. I'm not gonna be installing it for today's video. I'm gonna do it for another video. But in this video, I just wanted to teach you guys on how to make money the best way possible, at least in my opinion. Take advantage of it, do it. It's really easy, it's a really simple task. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.